Weather. Weather is defined as the condition of air surrounding us with respect to temperature, wind, and rain at a particular place or time. The sun and changes in weather and seasons. The sun causes changes in weather and seasons because it heats the earth unevenly. This happens because the earth is continuously revolving around the sun in a fixed orbit. The earth is slightly tilted on its axis. So, a part of the earth is near the sun while the other part is slightly away from the sun. The part which is near the sun receives more sunlight and therefore has longer and warmer days. It is summer in this part of the earth. The other part has shorter and cooler days and enjoys winter season at that time. The seasons keep on changing as the earth revolves around the sun. The sun also plays an important role in blowing of winds. The air gets heated up due to the heat of the sun. This heated air becomes lighter and rises. To fill its space, cool air, which is heavier, comes in. This movement continues and causes winds. The sun is also responsible for rain. Water in the water bodies evaporates because of the heat of the sun and forms water vapor. These water vapors combine and form clouds. When clouds become too heavy, they fall as rain. Sometimes, these water drops freeze and fall as snow. Air. Air is all around us. Moving air is called wind. Gently moving wind is called breeze, while fast moving wind is called storm. Air is matter because it has mass and it occupies space. Let's perform an activity to observe the properties of air. Take a balloon, weigh it using a physical balance and note down its weight. Now, inflate the balloon and weigh it again. You will notice that the weight of the balloon has increased. This is because the air filled in the balloon has mass. Now, try to squeeze the inflated balloon. Are you able to squeeze it or does the balloon burst? You will notice that you can squeeze the balloon easily. This is possible only because air can be compressed. Air is a mixture of gases. It has two main gases, oxygen and nitrogen. Nitrogen forms its largest part and oxygen forms the second largest part. Trace amounts of some other gases like carbon dioxide and water vapor are also found in air. The other components of air are smoke, dust, and germs. The continuous movement of air from hot to cold regions and vice versa is called air currents. In coastal areas, these air currents are responsible for causing sea and land breeze. Sea and land breeze. Land heats up and cools down faster than water. In the daytime, land gets heated up due to the heat of the sun much faster than the sea. The hot air rises from the land while the cool air from the sea blows in to take its place. This is called sea breeze. At night, the atmosphere is cooler, so the land cools faster than the sea. Now, the hot air rises from the sea and cool air from the land blows towards the sea. This is called land breeze. Air and its importance. All living things need air to breathe. Air is needed to burn things like wood and paper. Air is responsible for rain.